Mahinang Panon of Ginubatan Elementary School. Pupuan, Mahinang Panon would like to thank the following: the Barangay Council of Barangay Ginubatan, headed by Punong Barangay Jersey Culi. Barangay Kagawad Camille Punadera, Barangay Kagawad Edgar Villuga, Barangay Kagawad Armando Piedena, Barangay Kagawad Ricky Natalio, Barangay Kagawad Dino Saurigue, Barangay Kagawad Salvador Gilligan Jr., Barangay Kagawad Kirsten Marie Catalan, SK Chairman Earl John Antolio, Barangay Secretary Mary Jane Guaro, Barangay Treasurer Annalisa Catornigara, BRK Lorna Sigayno, SB Larry Labuson, Ma'am Emily Villanueva, Joan Antonio Lopez, Attorney Theodore Banderado, Marvy Gintivano, Irvin and Lisa May Gintivano, Police Lieutenant Ray Coelho, Ira and Andrea Lumbao, Raul Guaro, Brian Wanga, Carlo Wanga, Mrs. Rufi Lim, Rolly Bianstad, Mrs. Erlinda Berlan, LCDP MPC Cooperative, Riley Esteves, Infa Gintivano, Jerry and Gina Pidena, Brian Caballo, Mary Grace Panado, Arman Diaz, Shadrach and Shanti Maderaje, Reynald Harjulin, Felin Joy Arota, Lovely Joy Avaro, Erwin Guania, Myren Operio Hervas, Felami Villa, Mr. and Mrs. Pedro Lipas, Rickard Erickson Cuello, Jofer Silva, Hubon, Subong Hapon, Hubon, Mahinang Panon! There you have